Hello everybody, I hope you are doing well. Why did the gold disappear from the Aqua Regia solution? Why doesn't gold precipitate in some cases like here for example? To find out one of the common reasons, follow us to the end. Here we will try to deposit gold with caustic soda, sodium hydroxide, NaOH. No need to neutralize nitric acid with urea.
But after a while, it became clear to me that something was wrong.
Instead of precipitating gold with caustic soda, I mistakenly added cyanide to Aqua Regia. So don't make such a mistake, try to write the names of things on the covers. Thank you for subscribing to GRH channel. If you liked this channel, make sure to subscribe for more. We hope you enjoy watching. Thanks again and welcome to GRH channel, Gold Recovery Hassan.